This is the first in a series of videos about birds of Guyana. If you look at the map of Guyana, you can see Georgetown in the middle of the coast. That's where most everybody lives in Guyana. We saw this snail kite on our first day in Guyana near the beach. Thought it was an interesting video. The snail kites mostly eat snails, and you can see evidence of their work with empty snail shells scattered all around. We'll have more about Guyana and its features in subsequent videos. Here you can see that Kite has spotted his prey. He's swooping down, and success.